Hey guys, today we're doing one of the classics, the king of bitter drinks, the Negroni. Let's jump right in. This is a pretty simple drink. It's only 3 ingredients, equal parts. We're going to start with Campari, which is the key ingredient. That's what's going to give it its signature bitter flavor and that bright red color. So a full ounce of Campari. Next up, our Sweet Vermouth. I'm using Martini Rosso. So a full ounce of Sweet Vermouth. This is going to add a little bit of sweetness to the drink, not a whole lot because this is a bitter drink, but a bit of sweetness, and it's going to play well with the Campari. Last up is our gin. We're using a London dry gin. I'm using Bombay Sapphire. Now, I did say equal parts, however, I do like to bump up the gin a little bit, so I'm actually going to put 1.5 ounces of gin. So classically, it's equal parts, but I like gin. So 1.5 ounces goes in. Now, since this is all booze, it's all alcoholic ingredients, we don't shake this drink, we're going to stir. Alright, so grab some ice. We're going to put a big rock in our glass. We're going to put some cubes in our mixing glass. I like to put a bunch of ice cubes and then take a nice big one and give her a crack. Really fill the glass. Don't put a little bit of ice, don't put lots of ice in there. Alright, get your spoon and commence stirring. Now you want to stir for a good, I'd say 30-40 seconds. This drink here, really, a little bit of dilution is not a big deal because it is a pretty strong drink. This is just booze ingredients and it is quite bitter. So a little bit of water in there won't kill the drink. And of course we want it really chilled. Okay. When that's done, we're going to grab our julep strainer and our rocks glass. You could serve this up. Some people like to serve it up without ice. I like to serve it in a rocks glass with a big chunk of ice. So slow, sexy pour into the glass. May have overdone it there with the slow motion. Come on. Excellent. Okay, for garnish, we're going to garnish this with an orange peel. You could do an orange slice. I like to just do the peel, express some of those oils on there. Careful not to cut yourself. I swear, I've cut myself a bunch of times with that stupid peeler. It's very sharp. So express the oils on there, then give it a nice twist, and just stick it there behind the ice. And there you have it. There's your classic Negroni cocktail. Now, this drink is not for everyone. It's definitely an acquired taste. It's very bitter, but you know, bitterness in cocktails is not a bad thing. It's an incredibly well-balanced drink. You know, the bitterness of the Campari, the hints of sweetness from the vermouth, and the dryness and the botanicals from the gin, everything plays really well together. So give it a try and don't give up on this drink. I didn't enjoy my first Negroni, but I soldiered through and learned to appreciate it. Now it's among one of my favorite drinks. Alright, so that's it guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Please leave a comment, leave a like, and if you haven't already, subscribe, hit that bell. You'll be notified when we release new videos. We will see you next time. Cheers.